She wakes up early. She wakes up early. She opens the window. She opens the window. Fresh air comes in. Fresh air comes in. She smiles. She smiles. She goes to the kitchen. She goes to the kitchen. She drinks a glass of water. She drinks a glass of water. She brushes her teeth. She brushes her teeth. She prepares breakfast. She prepares breakfast. She eats her food. She eats her food. The food is simple. The food is simple. She washes the dishes. She washes the dishes. She goes to the garden. She goes to the garden. The garden is green. The garden is green. She waters the plants. She waters the plants. She enjoys the morning. She enjoys the morning. The sun is bright. The sun is bright. She cuts dry leaves. She cuts dry leaves. She plants new flowers. She plants new flowers. She likes gardening. She likes gardening. She feels happy. She feels happy. She checks the soil. She checks the soil. The soil is wet. The soil is wet. She brings more water. She brings more water. She carries tools. She carries tools. She arranges the pots. She arranges the pots. She takes a short break. She takes a short break. She sits on a chair. She sits on a chair. She drinks tea. She drinks tea. She enjoys the tea. She enjoys the tea. She thinks about the day. She thinks about the day. She reads a book. She reads a book. She listens to music. She listens to music. She cleans her room. She cleans her room. She organizes the kitchen. She organizes the kitchen. She finishes her work. She finishes her work.